Okay, so click on Fonto the app and click the camera icon and go on plain image. Click whatever image you like to do. I just chose black because it's simple and plain, and use the image. Now we're going to customize the numbers. So for the width we're going to do 1280 and the height 720. Make sure you use the exact same numbers because this is what the YouTube thumbnail length and height should be. Okay, so now this is the bit where you can decide what image you like to do for your thumbnail. I'm just doing Billie Eilish. So now we're going to click size and do whatever size you would like to do. It really depends on your preference. The cool thing about this app is you can do as much as images you would like to do. There's no limit. So I'm doing another Billie Eilish photo and we're going to do the exact same thing. You do this one bigger, smaller, it really depends on you. Okay, so this is where you can add the text. You can do whatever text you like to do. And there's a billion fonts you could choose out of. And you can do different colors. So my one was originally orange and I did white. But you can do pink, red, black, whatever color you would like to do. And I tilted mine just to make it a bit more fancy. I just did a classic before and after photo. I'm not going to use this thumbnail. I'm just showing you an example of how you can use this app. So I'm just doing a pink font. You can do whatever font you would like to do, and I think you guys get what I'm trying to do with this image. Okay, so click the little icon in the corner of the app and go on add items, and these are all free. So there's like likes, comments, you can just do any, and it's pretty cool. I do not know what this picture, whatever it is, but I just did it. Once you are finished, you can just save the image and it will be sent to your camera roll.